Hello, I'm Mike. I'm here with my Dyson Ball Multifloor2 Vacuum. It is a great vacuum. But one of the things I noticed is that it's hard to move on some carpet. Let me demonstrate. Thanks, Mike. I'm going to demonstrate the before. Hard to move. I'm really trying to push it, but it's hard to move. So that was hard to move. I'm going to unplug it and then I'll do a quick install of the solution. Take off the cleaner head and then just do my install. Hi there. That's it. Put the C-clip back on. Until it clicks. It's ready to go. Just need to plug it in. And away we go. Much easier to move. Like a different vacuum on the carpet. It worked a lot better. Back to you, Mike. This is the cleaner head for the Dyson Ball Multifloor2 Vacuum. And I'm just going to show you how this works. So with this, you get the cleaner head and then you have this sole plate down below. And in the sole plate, there's a couple different pieces here. So you can see that this moves up and down. So there's this low piece, or the lower piece that is on the surface. And then you have this black accordion layer, and then you have the upper piece that has the same gray plastic. So upper accordion black piece, and then the bottom piece that's on the ground. And this freely moves up and down as you're going over different things and surfaces. So this is what's causing the problem on the carpet. So let's take a look at the sole plate itself. The sole plate can be removed by just turning these gray levers towards the center. And here it is. So like I said, the upper piece, then you have this black layer, accordion style, that moves up and down, and then the bottom piece that's on the surface. From the front, you can see that it's moving up on these tabs. So I'm squeezing it and just showing the movement. Here's from the side, the back. You know, it's again, these plastic pieces are moving over each other. They have these tabs to guide the movement. So my solution was to have something that would hold up the lower piece to allow some airflow. And what I settled on was some O-rings that I got the perfect size. Tried many. Well, actually, I tried zip ties to start with and different things like that. But this is easy to put on and easy to remove, so you can remove it. And what this does is it restricts the movement and holds up the bottom piece that's on the surface. it holds it up. If you can see here, it's not allowing it to move as much, but that's enough that it allows for that airflow on the carpet. So just to put it back on, you put the sole plate back on, do the levers, and it's ready to go. Well, thanks for watching. I will make the solution available for people that want to order. So I will send the solution, the fix, some instructions, put it into an envelope and mail it to you. So thank you for your time. Hopefully this will work as well for you as it has for me. Thank you very much.